Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive. Today we're diving into one of the most asked questions of 2025: which smartwatch should you buy under $300? And we've got three contenders that are making major noise: the Galaxy Watch 7, the Pixel Watch 4, and the OnePlus Watch 3. Starting off with the Galaxy Watch 7, Samsung has really polished their design this year with a slimmer bezel, a brighter display, and a more efficient Exynos W1000 chip. The new bioactive sensor also brings improved heart tracking and sleep analysis, and with Wear OS 5 on board, it's snappy, reliable, and gets regular updates. But what really seals the deal is Samsung's ecosystem. If you've got a Galaxy phone or earbuds, the integration is seamless. Next up is Google's Pixel Watch 4, and honestly, this is the most refined Pixel Watch yet. They've finally nailed the comfort and battery life issues from the previous versions. The new Snapdragon W5 chip brings massive gains in speed and efficiency, and thanks to Fitbit integration, the health tracking is detailed, especially for heart rate, cardio scores, and stress levels. Plus you get Google Assistant, Maps, Gmail, and YouTube Music right on your wrist, making it the best pick for Android purists or anyone deep in the Google ecosystem. Now let's talk about the surprise underdog, the OnePlus Watch 3. It may not get as much hype, but OnePlus has quietly created a sleek, reliable, and very budget-friendly smartwatch with a beautiful AMOLED screen, 2-week battery life, and smooth performance powered by their custom OS based on RTOS. While it doesn't have the full app support of Wear OS, it nails the basics: accurate fitness tracking, heart monitoring, call and message alerts, and it's IP68 rated for water resistance too. Now here's the deal. If you want the most balanced smartwatch with strong app support and great health features, the Pixel Watch 4 is a top choice. If you're already in Samsung's ecosystem or love using their health app and calling features, the Galaxy Watch 7 is a powerhouse. And if you want something clean, affordable, and super long-lasting without many frills, the OnePlus Watch 3 will surprise you. All three of these are under the $300 mark depending on where you buy, and honestly, it's a great time to upgrade your wrist game without blowing your budget. So what do you think? Which one would you go for? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Digital Dive for more honest tech reviews and updates just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.